The platform I have chosen to create and sell NFTs on the Toncoin network is Getgems.io, which you can see its homepage. The wallet I use to connect to this marketplace and create my NFTs is the Tonekeeper wallet, and I have installed the extension on my browser, which you can also install from here. Inside Getgems, click on the Connect wallet. It shows a QR code and a list of wallets. For example, if my wallet is on my mobile device, I can simply scan the QR code and connect to it. Or I can copy the link and transfer it to my mobile phone to connect. Here is the list of supported wallets. I have Tonekeeper installed and I want to connect to it. Click on Tonekeeper and then on Browser Extension. When the wallet comes up, click on the Connect Wallet button and enter your password. This was the entire sign-up process on this platform. Here you can see my profile, wallet balance, and other things. When I open my profile page, I can edit it. You can add an image and a banner. It also shows your wallet NFTs if you already have any. On this page, if I click on the Edit Profile button, I can change a number of things such as my name, description, social media links, and my website. Click Save button and it saves the changes. You can see the links here. To create an NFT, click on the Add NFT button. Enter the name, description, and select the NFT file. I want to create a collection, so I have to select the Create button from this section and finally select Collection. Here I have to select the logo and banner. Enter the name of the NFT collection, enter its description. You can also set royalties on the collections, which will be credited to your wallet in each sale in the future. As a creator, you can choose a number between 1 and 15%. You also need to enter social media links or your website link at the end. Now I will also choose my collection logo. Uploading a banner is also mandatory and you must upload it. Finally, by clicking create collection, my wallet will pop up and I must confirm the transaction. There is currently a fee of 100 of a Tron coin for creating a collection. After entering my password and clicking confirm, my transaction will be sent. My collection was created. I was expecting it to redirect for itself, but it seems like I have to do it myself. Here in the collection section, you can see that my collection has been created. Of course, there are no NFTs in it, and we have to create the NFTs by clicking create NFT button. Enter the name and description. If you don't have an idea about these fields, you can get ideas from other collections and NFTs. The collection is already selected. If you have several collections, you have to choose between them. The attribute includes the details of your NFT and is used in calculating the rarity by the marketplace. For example, the background color or the font of the text, because my NFT has text inside it, or anything else you can have here according to your collection. Here you can also select the NFT file. It supports image and video formats up to 15 megabytes. My NFTs are just a series of images in JPG format. I select one of them, and when I click create NFT button, the tone keeper comes up and I have to make another transaction, this time with a higher fee. Enter the password and confirm the transaction to create the NFT. My transaction confirmation took a long time. Here you can see that my NFT was minted. My transaction details in my wallet. I can click on view NFT. Before I talk about details of this page, I will add another NFT to my collection. Here I will select my collection and enter information like the previous NFT. Finally, I will click the create NFT button, confirm the transaction. The second NFT of my collection will be created. Here you can see that this collection has two NFTs in it and they are not currently for sale. Let's go and put them up for sale. Here when you click the put on sale button, you can put your NFT up for sale. It will give you two options. One is a fixed price and the other is an auction. By selecting the fixed price, you specify a price and whoever wants to buy your NFT must give a certain amount of Tron coins to buy it. But in auction mode, you must set a minimum price and obviously no one can pay less than that price. You must set an expiration date and the auction will remain open until that date, which you can select a maximum of 2 weeks. You can also specify the maximum price, and in the minutes subsection you can also specify that each new bid must be at least a few percent higher than the previous bid. The auction cannot be cancelled, and this is something you should keep in mind. There are also some explanations here, but I want to put my first NFT for sale at a specific price, so I choose this option. For example, I want to put it at half a ton coin price. You will also see the marketplace fee and royalty amount. Click on put on sale and confirm the transaction. This transaction also took a while, and it seems that it has not been confirmed yet. Finally, the transaction was confirmed and the NFT was put up for sale. Your Tonekeeper wallet will also show you your NFTs here, and you can send them to others. As you can see, the NFT price in Tone and USD is written here. You can also remove the sale by simply making a transaction. You can see the NFT details, trades, contract address, token ID, and some other details. In the stats section, it shows NFTs trades, but because we have just created the NFT, it's empty. You can also change the price of your NFT. Now let's put our second NFT up for sale. I want to put this one up for auction. Here enters the minimum price. Set the expiration date. I don't want the maximum price. I also set the minimum step, for example, 50%. Here it says that the minimum price must be at least 1 ton. I set it to 1 ton and confirm the transaction. Here the second one is up for auction and the first one has a fixed price. Let's also upload a banner and logo for our collection. This is the collection address that I created, and I can send it to others so that they can see my collection. Also, if I'm not logged in and open the NFT, you will see that there is a buy now button and users can buy the NFT by clicking on this button.